So I've got this 12-in-1 keyboard cleaner, but it's more than a keyboard cleaner. This can clean like a lot of things, like your laptop display, your phone cameras. It can clean your AirPods or other earbuds that you have. It can clean your keyboard, of course. It can clean your tablet. Almost any tech that has a display and a keyboard can be cleaned with this, and also earbuds, which is great. So let's unbox it, check it out, and clean some things, see how it works. So if you open the box, the kit, then you have these extra things, some extra things here, and the cleaning kit manual. So that's what you get in the box. Now let's see the cleaning kit. As you can see, this is for changing this one on the back, which is great that we have spares, because this can get dirty even if you're like cleaning, I mean, especially because you're cleaning your phone and your laptop display or your monitor. Then we have this that has a brush on top, and it's like a really nice and soft brush. Then we have this inside. So I have this for the mechanical keyboard that you can take the keys out. And then we have this for the phone, so you can take the SIM card out as well. Then we have this solution for cleaning the displays, like laptops or any phone, and also the lens. And this smaller one, so this one for the cameras. There we go, really nice and soft brush. Then we have this one, and as you can see, it has this small nice soft brush for the inside of the AirPods or earbuds, and also this for cleaning like the things that won't go off, and like a really smaller brush for brushing in there, which I'll show you in a moment. That's all the kit has. Let's use it. So I've got this tiny brush here, and don't mind the cracked back on my phone. As you can see here on the side, around the camera here, it always dust gathers here. So we can use this brush to brush around it. And we can already see an improvement right here. And we can also use the back here to clean the cameras. These cameras for my XS always get fuzzy for some reason, so this is great for cleaning them. Now let's clean the screen as well. As you can see, this is scratched. I will have to change this, but before I do that, I'll clean this. So we can use this solution right here and spray a bit of this on top, just like that. And now we can use the back here to clean the screen. And as you can see, it already looks better, just that it's quite scratched and it needs to be changed. Also on this phone you can see some dust and stuff here. Don't mind this, it's just bubbles because this is from the foil that I applied on top. And we'll clean this one as well. Some of this. Not too much, maybe I overdid a bit. Then we can just brush this away. And as you can see, now it looks way better and more clean, and I can already see things gathering here, dust. Let's also clean the cameras right here, and we can go with this brush around the sides of the cameras because they always gather dust there. And then we can clean the tops, just like that. And there we go, nice and clean. And now to clean a pair of earbuds, we'll need this tool right here. There we go. So you can see this here is a bit trickier to clean, so that's where this comes in handy. And also if we take this out, inside here, and we also have this small brush, which helps really well for this. And as you can see now, it's way cleaner than it was before. So as you saw, this is like cleaner, way cleaner than before. And now let's also clean a keyboard. We'll take the big brush and just do this. Let's turn it off first. There we go. There you go, so now it's way cleaner. So this is versatile, it can be used for cleaning a lot of things, a lot of tech products, like your earbuds, like your laptop, like a keyboard, like a phone. So this is really great as a gift for tech guys because they can clean all their devices and it's all in one kit.